Install a Philips Plasma TV. Philips is a popular manufacturer of a variety of electronic gadgets. Recently, they have started developing plasma TVs to add to their product lines. If you've recently purchased a Philips Plasma TV and wish to install it yourself, here are the steps to do so. Find a specific location. Find the best location to install your plasma TV. It should have the required space for the unit. Most plasma TVs requires 3 inches of space at the top, and about 2 inches behind for ventilation. Most Philips Plasma TVs come with speakers, so make room for them as well. These speakers usually measure between 3 to 6 inches per piece. Refer to the manual that came with your Philips unit to make sure that you know the spacing required for the unit. Choose a mounting option. Due to the lightweight feature of plasma units, you can opt to go for various mounting options. For instance, you can mount it against a flat wall, mount it with a tilt, use table stands and TV cars, or articulating wall mounts. Most Philips Plasma TVs, though, come with a table stand. Turn off the power. Remove power from the outlet that you wish to move to make room for the unit. Likewise, you also need to turn off the power if you're going to install a new outlet. Drill a hole from where you need to install the additional outlet. Drill mounting holes. If you plan to mount your plasma unit, drill the appropriate holes based on the unit's specification. You need to consider the required space necessary for the ventilation of the unit. Make sure that wall mounts are securely placed in each hole. Air should be able to circulate freely through the ventilation holes, regardless of the selected mounting position of the television. Add power to the new outlet. Attach the line of the new outlet to the old one. You may need to install an electric box to add power to the plasma unit. If moving an existing outlet to a new position, make sure that you isolate the new outlet wiring and have it connected to the old wiring from the previous outlet. Usual power voltages for Philips Plasma TVs are 100-120 V, 200-240 V, and 50 to 60 Hz. Test the power. Once you connect the new outlet properly, test it first by using a lamp, for instance. This ensures that if there is a problem with the connection, your plasma television won't malfunction. Never attempt to plug in your plasma unit to a new outlet without testing the outlet first. Power your unit. After testing the power from the outlet, plug in your plasma television. Refer to the manual that came with it to properly configure the television unit. Make the necessary adjustments for the audio, picture display and channel selection. Installing your own Philips Plasma TV is easy as long as you follow the given safety instructions and installation procedures written in the manual. If done properly, you can easily enjoy the picture quality of your plasma unit.